Right, so that's the introductions and the welcomes. What I'll do now is tell you a little bit more about the course outline. So starting with today, the first session is about pharmacovigilance and pharmacoepidemiology. So we'll get to that in just a moment. The second session this afternoon, I'm going to move on to thinking about how we use electronic health records to do risk management and pharmacoepidemiology. So why we need to think about using EHRs and how they go beyond randomized trials in their uses. We'll think about a range of different kinds of situations where this kind of evidence is needed, and I'll also talk a bit about what I see as the future for EHR research in pharmacoepidemiology. Okay? And then for those of you who are able to join us on Friday, so first of all, Masao will give you a presentation about a case study of medication harm assessment and how we would do that within an EHR database, and detailed steps that you'd need to think through in order to do it. And then the second and third sessions on Friday will be two methodological sessions. The first is around self-controlled methods, and these are methodologies where individuals act as their own controls, and they're very widely used with EHR records. We'll talk about when you would choose to do it, why you would do it, and what the key advantages are over other kinds of methods. And then finally, we'll talk about propensity scores. Again, you may have heard the use of propensity scores, they may be less familiar to you. So we'll think about what they are, when you would use them to do a research study, how they're used, and how it compares with using a multivariable approach to an analysis.